Vanguard Civil Override issued by the Department of Public Safety. A missing person advisory has been issued for the following individuals. Do not attempt to interact with the subject or investigate independently. In the event of an emergency, evacuate the premises immediately and notify local authorities. If he notices you, drop to the floor immediately. Lay flat on the ground with your face pressed into the dirt or flooring. Remain perfectly still for exactly 90 seconds. Do not breathe. If he stands over you, count the seconds silently in your head. Do not let your lips move.
We find your perfection insightful. It teaches us how to build a better vessel. It shows us exactly where the skin needs to separate. Do not turn on the monitor. Do not turn on the monitor. Do not turn on the monitor. I liked you better when you weren't looking. Right, if you must. It will all make sense on the day you find out what I am going to trade your perfection for. Now disappear from my sight. The countdown has already begun.